Mobay son, I lock the whole place right now. What go on, Mobay son?
And me, man!
Liquid.
See the girl them?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I know a thing though.
Right now, I don't even know where to start. We have so many things to talk about right now. But first of all, tell me 3 words to describe 2020 for Liquid so far.
You know what I mean? 2020, very exciting, very unpredictable. And you know what I mean? For me, very, you know what I mean?
That is an understatement, but unpredictable.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Unpredictable
And,
for
and
real.
definitely productive.
Tell us some of the ways in which Liquid has been making this downtime for so many productive in your way.
Well, to be honest, you know what I mean? I always a find time, whether pandemic or not. But it's just the drive for us, you know what I mean, succeed and achieve right now, because as you see how the world around, we don't have much time. So, you know, the procrastination thing no work. And, yo, you know, I feel like I want to do this or think about to do things. So right now, my drive to do things right now, I think about it, I do it. No joke. Less than 3. And, you know what I mean, that energy right now, I bring me realize, so, yo, I achieve. So, I just depend on the drive there. From a think about it, let's do it.
What a way Liquid just becomes such an all-around brand overall. Cause right now when you say Liquid the on tour, you have to ask where him gone on tour go do.
Yeah.
Where am I do play music, where am I do DJ, where am I do? It's like crazy, just a brand overall, one of the strongest brands in the entertainment field right now. You always envisioned that Liquid would be such an entertainment figure?
Well, to be honest with you, I didn't envision it that way, but for me, in doing music from the first time, there are always things I just set out and say, your mother like to do this, you know, I don't want to produce a bujo, or so I know say mother put my foot in a different things.
Yeah.
You understand? Definitely, because there are things I want to achieve rather than just playing music.
Me never even want to get to the production part of it yet, because we have a lot to talk about production wise. But speaking of production, on this album now,
Yeah.
and it's called
Point of view, meaning music from my view, meaning Liquid the artist, from where I'm at right now in my musical career.
And it's available on all digital platforms?
All digital platforms, worldwide.
Are you the executive producer as well? Are you the main producer on the album?
Executive producer, main producer, my record label, H2O Records.
Straight.
Yeah.
Talk to me about some of the collaborations.
Some of the collaboration, me and Dane Ray have collaboration with me, Versimans, Conscience. I know Versimans are one of the biggest R&B writer and R&B artist in you know what I mean, hip hop and R&B music right now. You know, I have combination with me and Aishana, you know, remix. My favorite female included in the lineup.
Yeah.
You know, Actian, Kemar Icon, K. Cornell. You know, him have the New York R&B swag vibes. It's called the album bring every vibes.
Yeah. There's
You
different points of views.
That's what I tell the point of view.
Yeah.
You know, it's the music from where I am. You know, when me see it around the world and what people connect and what people love. What the music that I make. I never make panic corner. I make music for everybody. That's what the album is really about. So it have, you know, it's a journey. When I listen it carry on.
How has being a successful DJ / disc jock influenced your music?
Well, one way it influenced me to make sure I do good music, because say me go rate any man music, I have to rate for me. And you know, that kind of give me the drive to make sure the Liquid the thing of even better than what I get to play now. So I have to mark myself.
Is there one song on the album that is a little bit more sentimental for Liquid?
To me, you have a song named Hard to Love You.
Hard to Love You.
Yeah.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, Never Hard to Love You, you know, that kind of island pop vibe. That song features Versimans and Conscience, and you know, that is one of the songs with me. Really sentimental to make a, you know, I go out of the box, a Liquid. You know, I make a mainstream like a pop song, as the mother said, but as you say, it's out of the box than what them expect of me. This album, if me tell you some of the people who even record and take my voice and guide me, you're not gonna believe, you know. I act in like produce like, but that's saying produce 2 tracks.
Yeah.
Life in the Ghetto and Overcome car. I act in, they be on the board and I say, yo, sing over about that and definitely produce me. I mean, just, you know what I mean?
Take the production.
Yeah, me take production on this project. Right through. You have songs when me record 3 times. 6 different verses. Song with me a version. Think a song named Do Me Good.
Yeah.
You see me? 100 million would do me good. A chrome skin girl with the goody good. Take care of the ends, make sure mommy good. That's how me want to live my life. Make the team me know they have for a long time, no time for waste. Make sure my family don't get disgrace. Life insurance just in case. Whole heap of money stack up in a safe. Mama nah worry, Born with division, miss it never blurry. Anything she want, lobster goat curry. Western Union cash a tip now. You see me? Yeah. So you don't know, we have to find, I kind of really go in with music I connect where you can understand, but me not overdo it.
While we're on the production topic right now, we hear say you find a gold mine.
No, you know what I mean? It's not me, I just me and the team. I'm going to say me alone. Me and the team.
Yeah.
Me and Jam 2 and Cranium them,
You Jam 2 Cranium, so when you get a gold single.
Yeah, we're gold in Canada right now. Can't believe featuring Wizkid, the big Afrobeat artist, and Ty Dolla $ign, the big R&B artist.
Wow.
Yeah,
So that's just Canada alone?
That's just Canada alone, and we do the stats around the world, and we are going to look for more gold record, or more gold plaque or platinum from that single, because we know it's big everywhere.
Yo!
But, them things that take time.
How does it feel when you get the call to hear, say, a single that you produce has gone gold?
To be honest, bro, I didn't get a call. I was just scrolling through the internet and site. And Pee-wee wanna...
And you had Michael just start scratch immediately?
Yeah, I had Michael start scratch and I start smile. But to be honest, the joy I feel, I feel like I want to cry, cause you work so hard and produce, and you don't know when I have this big machine behind me, when I spend no big money, just the real music I produce, and it really a kind of work.
Yeah.
So it's a good feeling, because I hold up a night and hold up a mix over, and when I like this, we have to do over this and hold up a promotion and call people. You get the song? No, I don't get it 100 times.
Liquid, you don't have to do them things there.
No, I still do them things there. All right now with my own album, me and Zan, call every man, message them same way.
Yeah,
man. Definitely.
Big Liquid?
Big Liquid. Same way.
Radio?
Right now, ask every radio people or every promo people if I don't meet them talk to personally or reach out right now. Even in them DM. And say, check out my project. I need a feedback.
Yeah.
Personally. I reach out personally. Like right now. That's why you see the response is so. It's so real. Because
it's so serious to take it.
Yeah, it's so serious, so real. A Liquid really tell me to check out him project and have somebody notify me.
Yeah.
Real. Dog, when you buy my album yet, what happened? Send me a download when you buy my album, me personal with it. And you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I love it. So if me don't love it, all my friends are going to love it. All the fans are going to love it. If you're not showing love to your own thing.
That's true, man.
You have to love yourself first, just like how them say. So you have to love your music.
Liquid, lastly now, I want you to tell me the most intense thing about Point of View.
The most intense thing is there, some of them are intense and them have the exclusive.
Yo!
Intense.
Mobay son with a different point of view.